Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to our channel where we share the best travel tips and tricks to make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. Are you tired of lugging around a heavy suitcase? Does the thought of dragging an overloaded bag through crowded airports make you cringe? Do you long for the days of effortlessly gliding through airports, breezing past security, and arriving at your destination without breaking a sweat? Well, you've come to the right place. Today we're going to help you transform your travel experience by showing you how to pack smarter, not harder. On today's adventure, we're unlocking the secrets to packing light and right. Say goodbye to overpacking and hello to a more streamlined, stress-free travel experience. We're diving deep into 8 common items that experienced travelers simply don't pack anymore. These are the things that weigh you down and take up precious space in your luggage. From bulky hair dryers to multiple pairs of shoes and excessive toiletries, we'll show you what to leave behind and what to bring instead. You'll learn how to make do with hotel hair dryers, choose versatile shoes that match multiple outfits, and pack a compact toiletry kit that meets all your needs. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to pack a lightweight backpack, use packing cubes for better organization, and embrace minimalist travel gear. Before we embark on this journey to packing enlightenment, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future travel tips. Trust us, you won't want to miss what's coming next. So, let's get started and make your next trip the best one yet. Happy travels, and let's dive into the 8 things you don't need to pack. Remember those days of stuffing your suitcase with bulky travel guides and hardcovers? Yeah, me too. But trust me, your back and shoulders will thank you for embracing the digital age. E-readers are a game changer. They're lightweight, compact, and can hold thousands of books. Plus, you can adjust the font size for easy reading. And hey, digital travel guides? They're constantly updated with the latest information and often have interactive maps. No more lugging around outdated tomes. Okay, let's talk clothes. We've all been guilty of overpacking, right? But the key to traveling light is choosing versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched. Opt for lightweight, wrinkle-resistant fabrics like merino wool or quick-drying synthetics. And remember, layers are your best friend. A simple t-shirt paired with a light sweater or jacket can take you from a sunny day to a cool evening. And hey, don't forget a scarf. It's a traveler's best friend. Stylish and functional. Now let's talk toiletries. I know it's tempting to bring your entire bathroom routine, but remember those travel-size containers? They're your new best friends. And honestly, most basic toiletries can be purchased at your destination. Shampoo, conditioner, soap, they're readily available worldwide. Save yourself the space and weight and embrace the local products. You might even discover a new favorite. Chapter 4.2 is the magic number multiple pairs of shoes. Nope, shoes, oh shoes, they can take up so much space in your suitcase. We all love our shoes, but when it comes to packing for a trip, they can be a real hassle. You might be tempted to bring every pair you own just in case, but trust me, you don't need to. But here's the thing, you really only need 2, maybe 3 pairs max. Think about it, how many pairs do you actually wear on a daily basis? Probably not as many as you think. By limiting your choices, you not only save space but also make your travel experience much simpler and more enjoyable. A comfortable pair of walking shoes is a must-have. These will be your go-to for exploring new cities, hiking trails, or just wandering around. Comfort is key, so make sure they are well broken in before your trip. Then, pack a pair of sandals or flip-flops for warmer weather or casual outings. These are perfect for beach days, poolside lounging, or even just a quick trip to the hotel lobby. They are lightweight and take up very little space. And if you're feeling fancy, maybe a pair of dressier shoes for evenings out. Whether it's a nice dinner, a night out on the town, or a special event, having one pair of dress shoes can elevate your outfit without overloading your luggage. That's it. No need to pack for every possible scenario. By sticking to these essentials, you'll find that your suitcase is lighter, your stress is lower, and your trip is more enjoyable. So next time you're packing, remember, less is more when it comes to shoes. Chapter 5. Leave the bling at home. Skip the expensive jewelry. Sparkly things are nice, but when you're traveling, it's best to leave the expensive jewelry at home. It's an unnecessary risk and can make you a target for theft. Plus, think of it this way. Traveling is about experiencing new cultures and creating memories, not about showing off fancy trinkets. So leave the bling behind and embrace the freedom of traveling light. Remember those bulky bath towels we used to pack? Yeah, those days are over. Quick-dry travel towels are a revelation. They're compact, lightweight, and dry super fast. Plus, they often come in handy pouches for easy packing. Trust me, once you go quick dry, you'll never go back. Okay, I get it, there's a certain charm to unfolding a paper map. But let's be real, digital maps are the way to go. They're constantly updated with real-time traffic information, points of interest, and even restaurant reviews. Plus, you can zoom in and out as needed, and they won't fall apart in the rain. Embrace the future, my friends. In today's tech-savvy world, it's tempting to pack every gadget imaginable. But trust me, you don't need it all. Streamline your electronics to the essentials, your smartphone, a charger, maybe a small camera if you're feeling fancy. And hey, if you're worried about running out of juice, a portable charger is a lifesaver. But leave the bulky laptops, tablets, and extra lenses at home. Your back will thank you. So there you have it, fellow adventurers. Whether you're setting off on a weekend getaway or embarking on a months-long journey around the world, packing light can make all the difference. We've shared 8 common items that experienced travelers have ditched to lighten their load and enhance their journeys. These items might seem essential at first, but once you let go of them, you'll realize how much easier and more enjoyable your travels can be. Remember, packing light is all about prioritizing experiences over possessions. When you carry less, you move more freely, explore more spontaneously, and immerse yourself more deeply in the places you visit. By leaving behind unnecessary items, you'll free up space in your suitcase and your mind to fully embrace the joys of travel. Imagine the freedom of not having to lug around heavy bags, the ease of navigating through crowded airports, and the joy of having everything you need in a single manageable backpack. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel inspiration. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content, and we love sharing our passion for travel with you. Until next time, happy travels. May your adventures be filled with unforgettable moments, new friendships, and the kind of experiences that make life truly extraordinary. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.